These cosmic gateways, not bound by the conventional constraints of space and time, offer a thrilling conduit to distant galaxies and unexplored dimensions. Wormholes signify not only the potential for rapid interstellar voyages, but also the allure of the unknown, an irresistible call for intrepid explorers to chart uncharted territories. Yet, beneath the allure lies the inherent mystery and dual nature of these celestial passages, hinting at encounters with evolved extraterrestrial life forms or unforeseen challenges. In the vast expanse of science fiction, wormholes transcend their role as mere conduits. They metamorphose into symbolic gateways, reflecting the internal odysseys of characters and the crucible of challenges they confront. What unfolds in the cosmic embrace beyond these gateways remains a tantalizing enigma. So, without further ado, let's peer into this celestial tapestry interwoven with wormholes, a realm where the pursuit of discovery beckons and each journey propels us into the awe-inspiring unknown. We explore one of the universe's darkest mysteries, black holes. Black holes, dense regions with gravitational pull so strong that even light can't escape, act as cosmic gatekeepers. Yet, their intrigue extends beyond gravity, hinting at unknown worlds within. Falling into a black hole means joining a strange dance of time and space, perhaps revealing scenes akin to science fiction. They might open doors to unknown dimensions or house evolved extraterrestrial life. Entering these realms is no easy feat, requiring courage and knowledge. However, beyond the challenges lies the allure of the unknown and the joy of exploration. Black holes not only delve into the universe's depths but also challenge human understanding. Behind each black hole lies a story, an adventure into the unknown. These cosmic phenomena may offer an inspiring journey into the infinite beauties and secrets of the universe. As we journey towards these black holes, we gather courage and set sail to explore these mysterious cosmic corners. The mysteries within may not only take us to space, but also lead us on an inner journey, illuminating our understanding like a star in the dark. Parallel universes. Scientists have discovered that, although we only see one face of the universe, parallel universes are part of an infinite dance. In these universes, different decisions and destinies unfold, diverging from the world we know. Imagine, one day, when you made a decision in your life, in another universe, you made the opposite choice. Perhaps there, in an unknown world, you've embarked on an entirely new adventure. These parallel universes are gateways that present infinite possibilities of life. In a science fiction story, traveling through a portal to parallel universes may allow you to meet different versions of yourself. Perhaps there, another you is a scientist or an explorer, venturing into new discoveries. However, discoveries related to parallel universes may not always be as we imagine. In a different universe, maybe similar yet significantly different from ours, you might encounter a future that's unique. Perhaps, in this universe, technology is more advanced, or a world of peace and harmony prevails. Parallel universes not only challenge the limits of our world, but also provide an opportunity to question our inner selves. Perhaps, as a consequence of every decision, we find ourselves on the branches of a cosmic tree, housing many different lives. Now, using our imagination, we embark on a journey into the infinity of parallel universes. Maybe there, a different version of you, a happier world, or an extraordinary adventure awaits. Who knows, perhaps in another universe at this very moment, another version of you is listening to this story. Happy exploration. Signals from the stars are mysterious and thrilling messages reaching us from the universe's depths. These beams of light, emanating from billions of stars, serve as time capsules carrying traces of the universe's past. These signals hold significant discovery potential in astronomy, astrophysics, and astrobiology, answering questions about stars' compositions, traces of life, and the universe's expansion. Simultaneously, we shouldn't overlook the captivating possibilities hidden within these signals, such as messages from extraterrestrial civilizations. Projects like SETI aim to decipher signals, attempting to establish communication with potential cosmic neighbors. Decoding these signals may take time, but the potential for groundbreaking discoveries about life in the cosmos is immense. Signals from the stars represent a treasure trove of the unknown, acting as a mysterious reading book for scientists and researchers. Perhaps our greatest discoveries will begin with understanding the truths behind these cosmic signals. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming space exploration, accelerating our understanding of the cosmos. In missions, AI enhances autonomous navigation, spacecraft control, and data analysis, enabling real-time decision-making and adaptive responses. AI algorithms are crucial in the search for extraterrestrial life, analyzing data to identify habitable zones and unique atmospheric compositions on distant planets and moons. This synergy between AI and space exploration not only advances scientific understanding, but also fuels innovation by expediting the discovery process. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, this collaboration promises unprecedented insights, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and opening avenues for future interstellar endeavors. The search for extraterrestrial life is an exciting process fueled by discoveries made with powerful telescopes and space research tools. Scientists, particularly focusing on regions where liquid water could exist, known as Goldilocks zones, continue to explore potential signs of life by investigating water traces on Mars and studying biological indicators. However, the quest for alien life comes with technical and scientific challenges. Telescopes and space missions designed with technological advancements play a crucial role in researching biological signs. Factors such as vast distances, technical complexities, and the necessity to obtain scientific evidence make these investigations intricate. These efforts aim not only to understand the existence of life in the universe, but also to explore humanity's place in it. Our gaze into the sky is shaped not only by curiosity about the unknown, but also by the hope that one day we may discover traces of extraterrestrial life. Interstellar travel, the next frontier in cosmic exploration, captivates our imagination and pushes the boundaries of what we know about the universe. Advanced technology and tools enable us to envision a future where humanity extends its reach beyond our solar system, exploring distant stars and potentially habitable exoplanets. However, the dream of interstellar travel comes with formidable challenges. Vast distances, the need for sustainable life support, and the extended duration of space journeys are significant hurdles that scientists are actively addressing. Despite these obstacles, the idea of venturing into the unknown, discovering new worlds, and becoming an interstellar species inspires both scientists and dreamers alike. As we embark on this cosmic journey, our perspective on the universe evolves. Interstellar travel holds the promise of expanding our understanding and uncovering mysteries that challenge our current comprehension. Our gaze into the night sky is not just one of curiosity, but also one that envisions a future where interstellar exploration becomes a reality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content like this.